Okay folks, the leaves are falling. It's like it's snowing leaves. It looks wild. It's like the leaves, it's snowing leaves.
All around us, everywhere. Over that way. Coming down right above us.
Woo, here comes a little bit of wind, look at them now. We had frost last night, it was -5. Or 22 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly. Cool. Alright, well, Dwayne and I, hey folks, are out for another hunt. We'll see what we can get. We'll get back to you. Okay folks, first coin of the day with the ace with only 2 bars. The first coin is a nickel. A nickel, imagine that. And I think it's an older one. Yes it is. It's KG5 nickel. Sweet. KG5. Let's see what year we got. Beauties. That's a nice nickel. Looks like a 1935. 1935 KG5 nickel. Sweet. Got a nickel. How about that? Some people doubted its ability to find a nickel in that kind of a setting. Cool. First coin. Catch you on the next, folks. Okay, second coin is a young Liz penny. Just got the nickel right there. It is, oh, hard to see. Hard to see. Anyway, it will be 50s or early 60s. Mid to late 50s and early 60s. Alright, I'll catch you on the next, folks. Outside. Alright folks, just got a little relic, an old pocket knife. Check that bad boy out. It's pretty rough shape. It looks like it had the, oh, it's got some writing on it. Yeah, I'll have to figure out what that says. What about this side? Nothing. It has something written on this side. Scratched in PWW on this side too. RMS ANDANIA. I don't know. Not sure what that says. I'll have to look it up. Alright, cool. Got a little relic though. A nickel and a relic. And I only got the ace set up with 2 bars. 2 bars. How about that? Alright. We'll catch you on the next, folks. Alright folks, just out metal detecting around, and one of our good friends there does this. Alright, way to go, buddy. Quite the gig he's got. That'd be Darcy. Alright, catch you on the next, folks. Okay folks, we got something really green there, but it looks smaller than a penny. Oh, it's a button. Alright, it's gonna be military, I bet. Oh yeah, love it. I'm gonna have to get the brush out. Oh, the relics. Funny, eh? Buttons, 2 bars. How about that? I was getting questioned on whether, you know, you could find these kind of things running the ace in that kind of mode. Look at that little button. Oh yeah. Let's get the old brush out. Alright, all the things they say I couldn't get. Bullets, nickels. What was that other thing? Oh, a relic, a knife, old knife. And now I got an old button. Oh man. Oh, that's just something cool. Let me clean this up. I can already see it coming through. Something's coming through there. Big Mac. No way. That's got to be something else. All right, I'll check this out for you. See you in a bit. Okay, well, it's some kind of old button that says Big Mac. I'm thinking that's not the hamburger. Just by the way the letters are written. I'll have to look that up. Maybe it's some kind of old clothesline or something. Alright, catch you on the next, folks. Okay, folks, we just got down this little embankment, and right off the hop in this kind of sticky mud, I got a George. Ooh, it kept it in good condition. Nice and clean. Ooh, look at that side. Nice and wipes up nice. 1940, right on the nose. Beautiful. We'll swing around here, and this is usually wet and watery down here. We'll give it a swing. That's nice. Awesome. See you on the next. Okay, folks, just got a bullet. Bullet with the ace. Set it 2 bars. A bullet. Imagine that. Alright, catch you on the next. Okay, folks, alright, well, we're just slowly working our way out. This could potentially be the last coin of the day. It's a 40s George penny. Alright. We'll see what happens. Catch you on the next. Hey folks, just a quick little wrap up from today's hunt. We got a few coins today. This is a 1960 memorial. We got 2 young Liz's. One, I think, is a 63. And that one I'm not quite sure. We got a 47 George penny, I think it was. 47 or 49. 49. And we got a 1940 George penny that's in really good shape. That one is in some kind of sticky dirt. We got a couple of bullets. The nicest coin today is probably this 1935 KG5 nickel. Always like getting those nickels. And we got this cool Big Mac. It says Pin, which was some kind of clothing company in the 30s and 40s, I guess. And it sounded like they made some heavy duty denim shirts and stuff. So I'll get you a better shot of that. This camera's going soon. But it says Big Mac. What was really cool, interesting, I didn't realize at the time, but when I got home, this thing is terrible. It's falling apart. However, this says, well, it's got PWW scratched into it in 2 spots. Let's see, can I get this to get any better? And it also says RMS ANDANIA, which, as it turns out, on the back it looks like they started to carve PW right there as well, whoever had it. But that was an old ship, the RMS ANDANIA. The first one was launched in 1913, and ironically that's the only one that I can link to Canadians. The ANDANIA made its maiden voyage 14th of July 1930 from Liverpool to Quebec. In August it carried troops, made several trips carrying Canadian troops. For a few weeks in 1915 it was used to accommodate German POWs. After transporting more Canadian troops in 1916, it returned to passenger service in 1917. So, and then it was sunk by a torpedo, a German torpedo, on January the 18th. So that was the end of that ANDANIA. And then in 1921, they launched another one. Doesn't have really, well, it did make some trips to Montreal, but the other one was launched in 1921, and it sank. Same thing, was hit by a German torpedo and sank June 16th, 1940. So, I don't know, it's some kind of souvenir or commemorative knife for the HMS. And the second one in 1921 and 1939 changed its name from RMS, I should say, to HMS. This knife says RMS, ANDANIA, and the name was changed in 1939 from RMS to HMS when it was used for the war. It says here on November 25th, 1939, she took naval duties as HMS ANDANIA. So, you know, a lot of things are coming from the 40s out of there, so who really knows? It's kind of cool though that it has PWW and PWW carved into it over here. I know this camera's blurry. I got a new one coming, so just bear with me a little bit longer. Alright, we'll see you on the next, folks. That's one cool little knife.